Meet Chloe, a full-time Twitch streamer and content creator, averaging over 60 viewers in each stream. But how did she get there? Maybe it was her amazing dancing skill. Maybe not. Well, in this video, we will be interviewing her to find out how she got to where she is today. But first, let's find out how she found my coffee.
Okay, wait. I'm just going to quickly ask you a question. How's the coffee? What would you rate it out of 5?
You said 3 earlier.
Yeah, but now it's 5.
Okay, 5. 5.
That was a good answer.
Yeah, honestly, 5.
If you said anything less, we don't know what would have happened.
Yeah, no, I was scared. I was like 4.8. No, 5.
Hey guys, if we're meeting for the first time, my name is Flojo, and today we are here with Chloe ZA, who is a content creator and a Twitch streamer. And she does really well on Twitch, and I thought, hey, let's maybe learn from this person who's actually doing really well. For those of you that don't know who Chloe ZA is, she is approaching Twitch partnership with an average viewerage of over 60 people, am I right?
Right.
What's amazing to know about that is you didn't start on 60, you started on how many viewers did you have when you first started?
Well, I started with 0 viewers actually. I started off pretty slowly. I was streaming to Twitch like once a week. I didn't really know what Twitch was when I started streaming on Twitch. So it's definitely been a long road. But yeah, it's been amazing. So yeah, we're doing things.
Yeah. Well, it's no small feat to reach 60 viewers on average at least. So there's a lot to learn from you. And in this video, I wanted to actually highlight some lessons that we can learn from Chloe on how she grew her viewership, how she grew her community, and see how we can practically implement that into our lives or into our Twitch streams. So I have a couple questions for you, for the viewers as well. So not just for me, but for everyone else here. And I think the first question to ask you is, why did you start Twitch streaming?
I started Twitch streaming, actually, it was kind of a happy accident, if you will.
Yeah.
I was approached.
Yeah,
I was approached. Okay, so I started Twitch streaming. It was kind of a happy accident, if you will. I was approached by a couple of guys who were part of Super2Bit, and they were like, hey, so you play games? It was very early in my gaming career. I was pretty bad. Still pretty bad.
Can't vouch for that one. Kidding.
Yeah, I was approached by them. They asked me if I was interested in trying streaming, and I just sort of had this like yes attitude about things.
Yeah.
So I was like, sure, what do I have to lose? I tried it out. It went really well. I really enjoyed it. It was incredibly daunting, but I really enjoyed it. And I feel like it kind of like awakened an excitement in me, so that's why I started, and that's why I streamed the first couple of times.
Okay. Do you remember your first stream?
I do remember my first stream.
What did you know the deeds?
It's so cringe.
Cringe is the best.
So to be honest, I didn't know much about streaming when I did my first stream. Yeah. I didn't know what I was meant to be doing. I kind of thought,
where's the live?
I was just kind of like, okay, go live. I'm teaching people how to play a game. That's what I have to do, which wasn't really what it was about, it turns out. Also because I was not in a position to be teaching anyone how to play the game.
We've seen.
So I thought I was kind of teaching people how to play a game, and I wasn't. There was a lot of criticism because, as I said, I was not really very good. But it got quite a lot of traction, and it turned out my engagement was pretty good. So the first stream, very daunting, very cringe, but very fun.
Did you have?
I don't remember how many viewers there were at any one time, but it was over 100. One thing that Dave from Super2Bit did was titled it Epic New Streamer.
Oh, that must have done well.
So I think that got a lot of traction, a lot more attention than I wanted, definitely. Yeah. The video got over 13,000 views, which is more than I'm pulling now, but it was that title, I'm telling you.
What? That's mad crazy. Yeah. How long have you been streaming for now?
So I've been streaming on and off for about 3 years. I did take about a 4-month break. I was also really, I wasn't streaming a lot in the beginning. It was just kind of once a week kind of thing. And as I said, I took a bit of a break, so on and off for about 3 years.
So when you first started streaming, right, and you're trying to reach affiliate, one of the things that you mentioned to me is how long it took you to get to affiliate. Can you maybe tell us a bit about that?
Yeah, so it took me quite a while to get to affiliate. As I said, I didn't know what the expectations were. I didn't know what I was trying to do. I didn't know how Twitch streaming worked or what the goals were initially. So it took me a few months to get affiliate actually, and I'm kind of glad that I had that time to like grow and develop my gaming skills. So yes, it was good.
Have you seen my gaming skills?
It was tag 19.
Excellent.
I have
Really?
your Afrikaans skills.
Those are the best. No one can compete with him. That's not a lie. So how did you get to your first 3 average viewership? Because I feel like that's the one thing that people struggle the most when trying to get to affiliate. Like, what would you say helped you get to those 3 average views?
I think the 3 average viewers were probably, people closest to me, just kind of seeing what I was doing, just kind of supporting me with my new venture.
Yeah.
So it did take a little while to get affiliates, as I said, but yeah, I just feel like those were people, that were close to me, just kind of trying to support me in my new thing.
I think my first 3 viewers was like me mom, me dad, and my twin sister. I was like, y'all have to watch this, otherwise I'm keeping you up at night.
There we go.
Y'all gotta be in there, and I think that's an encouragement to you guys. If you're struggling to get your 3 average viewers, get your family in there. Tell them they don't even have to watch it. Just have it open. Just have it open and get me there,
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, mom, dad, best friend.
What an amazing first session that was, jam-packed with complete value. Boop the like button there if you got something out of it. But let's summarize everything that Chloe has said to us. One of the first things to note is that Chloe, just like you and me, started on 0 viewers. And I think that is why one of the most important things to know right now is to never compare your start to someone else's middle. Maybe you've been on the fence of Twitch streaming, or you just started Twitch streaming and you're going out and you're watching these big Twitch streams. You're like, wow, they got thousands of viewers. Hey, maybe it's even they got 20 viewers, and you're sitting there and maybe on 3, maybe on 1, and you're comparing yourself to them. My friend, remember, comparison is the thief of joy and will take your uniqueness away. So always remember, never compare your start to someone else's middle, because just like us, Chloe started on 0 viewers. Another thing to remind you of is Chloe has been streaming for 3 years. So maybe take a step back and ask yourself, how long have I been at this for? And have I been consistent enough? But one of the things that Chloe spoke about in this first session was she took multiple breaks. And one of those breaks was a 4-month-long break. And I think that's really important for us to recognize that there's times in our life where we need to take a step back, no matter how passionate about it. Maybe we're feeling drained, disappointed, discouraged, and we've been streaming now for a year, 2 years, and we haven't seen much growth. Sometimes that break and that step away can be the best possible thing for your Twitch stream. I was speaking to Chloe and she said to me that she took a 4-month break and she came back and doubled her views, and we have kind of figured out that it was probably the hype of her coming back, but we do touch on that in the next few episodes. And then another important aspect that we spoke about in your goal to getting Twitch affiliated is get your family involved. Get anyone who's close to you, who genuinely supports you and wants to see you succeed. Get them involved. Get them to watch your Twitch streams. Ask them, hey, would you be kind enough to maybe engage with any viewers? Like if someone else pops in and says hello to me, maybe you can also greet them in the Twitch chat, keep them engaged, and that way they're going to feel like they're becoming a part of a community. Well, we have so much more in store for you guys coming over the next few days, so make sure to even hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a beat. In the second episode, we're going to be speaking about the Twitch strategy that Chloe used to go to over 60 viewers on average and on her way to Twitch partnership. You really don't want to miss it. We have so many golden nuggets that are going to help you take your Twitch stream to a new level. So maybe like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.